Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about the little ringed plover. The little ringed plover is a delicately built small plover with a bright yellow eye ring. It is a widespread bird across many continents. Note dull pinkish legs and large white forehead patch in adult. Plumage much like bulkier ringed plover, but white eyebrow continues unbroken across forehead. Breeds on stony substrates around lakes, gravel pits and along rivers, but rarely out on the open tidal areas. Their calls are like named locally as Punchi Mala Oleviya. Did you know this amazing fact about the little ringed plover, that the males and females take turns taking care of the eggs? The only bird I know that takes care of its eggs by turns is ostrich. I have not seen a little ringed plover, but in migrant season you can see them in Colombo. These are some of the pictures of the newly built man-made island in Colombo called the Port City. There are many activities you can do at Port City, including sand ride and sand dunes.